We're gonna go ahead and test this one, which is his, what did he call it? Fuchsia?
Fuchsia, yeah.
And what did you call it?
And I said magenta.
Magenta, okay. Now they are putting, back to someone else's point earlier, GB 2626-2006, which is the old standard. That's older than you. So they need a couple things. They need, look at, you can tell like by the quality of things, by like how much work they did. Look at KN-Nuh, and it's like busted off. So I would say this is not a legitimate mask. You do not have to put the manufacturer name on the mask in the 2006 standard, but you need to say KN95 and you need to say GB 2626-2006.
2006, but they didn't put that.
They didn't put that. Do you want to smell it first?
Let me smell it. It smells like laundry detergent.
It smells like laundry detergent. Let me see. Oh, what kind of laundry detergent are you using? It smells like laundry detergent in a rat museum.
That is not true.
That's horrible. That is horrible. All right, ready. We got to go. 3, 2, 1. We did it. Fist bump.
There we go.
Now, this is not following the standard. We saw that because they didn't put the right markings on the mask.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Now
we know that it's a fake KN95. We know the breathability is too good. 67 pascals. 5, 4, 3. You're supposed to count with me. 2, 1. Ah! 88.16. It's called the 3D respirator disposable face mask. They're just using random word soup there. But the company is the Guangzhou Kanghauxing Technology Co. Limited. I gotta do the ear loop. I only have one ear loop, so these welds do not look good. You can tell they're not like on point. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Look it. I see you. Yeah, it's not very good.